rodeo book, rodeo book, rodeo book. Let's ride this midnight train, yeah. Rodeo book, rodeo book. Gon' ride this midnight train. So hold up, you can't ride on my backseat. Yeah, I'm gonna buck you right off deep, and I ain't got no coattail for you to ride on. Haven't you seen? Now I'll buck you back down to the black soil. Baby, pick up another seed, throw me some more words. Cherokee blood in my veins, oh, to the beat, to the L-I-K-A. Great swamps, baby, that's where I was raised. Walking on sawdust till river flow. Well, I fill my cup up with the oil poured out like blood running in my back, and I try to take it all in the heart in this place that we call Earth. Rodeo bull, rodeo bull. Now, have you ever rolled down a line, coming on a freight train one more time, yeah? Can you hear the whistle blowing? Can you see the steam pumping from that old midnight?
Before I snap, get bored, why I turn a smile into a frown? Hit beast mode, and I'm laying you out. You done woke up the dragon, so I'm bringing them out. All the pain and misery that you brought to me as the release to decrease all the suffering, torture and pain that's stuck in my brain. I thank all that mess that made me insane, so I'm snapping and now I'm trapping straight doing my thing. I'm Shaman B, if I'm wrong, I ain't showing no shame. I load the clip to release some pain, saying he wanna bring the pain, but God's on the other side. Free will got us divided, and I believe in Jesus, yeah, he died for our lives.
Rodeo bull, rodeo bull, rodeo bull. Let's ride this midnight train, yeah. Rodeo bull, rodeo bull. Go ride this midnight train.